Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Numbering focus on 4. 4 is the smallest composite number, a perfect square, and the first power of 2 that actually does anything useful. By the end of this video, you'll know why 4 marks the boundary between primes and composites, where 4 hides inside indices and Pythagorean triples, and the divisibility test that handles 4 with embarrassing ease. Quick identity check. 4 is even. 4 is composite, meaning it has factors other than itself and 1. Specifically, 4 equals 2 times 2. 4 is a perfect square, 2 squared to be exact, and 4 is a power of 2. The second one if you start at 2 to the 1. So 4 is composite, square, and a power of 2, all at once. It's a busy little number. Let's look at the times table and multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. The 4 times table is the doubling of the 2 times table. So if you've got your 2's cold, your 4's are halfway there. And the divisibility test for 4 is clean. Look only at the last 2 digits of any number. If those 2 digits form a number divisible by 4, the whole thing is. 324. 24 divides by 4, so 324 does 2. Powers of 4. 4 to the 0 is 1. 4 to the 1 is 4. 4 squared is 16. Cubed is 64. To the 4th, 256. 5th, 1024. Here's the clean trick. Every power of 4 is also a power of 2. Specifically, 4 to the n equals 2 to the 2n. So 64 equals 4 cubed, which equals 2 to the 6. 3 identities pointing at the same number. Useful in indices questions. The smallest composite. Here's why 4 is genuinely special. 1 is in its own category, not prime, not composite. 2 is the smallest prime. 3 is also prime. So the first natural number that has non-trivial factors, that isn't just 1 times itself, is 4. 4 equals 2 times 2. It's the entry point into everything composite, every Venn diagram of prime factors, every factorization question on the paper. Key relationships and how 4 connects to the syllabus. 4 equals 2 squared, which equals root 16. 4 times 4 is 16, which is also 4 squared, which is 2 to the 4th. 4 cubed is 64, which is 8 squared, which is 2 to the 6th. Root 4 equals 2. Cube root of 64 equals 4. Half a circle in radians is 2 pi, and pi over 4 is 45 degrees. And quartiles split your data into 4 equal pieces, Q1, Q2, Q3. 4 is a divider, a square, and a power. Where 4 actually shows, the 3, 4, 5 right triangle, Pythagoras' first example, and the smallest whole number Pythagorean triple. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides, 4 angles, and an interior angle sum of 360 degrees. Quartiles in statistics split data into 4. Square numbers to recognize on sight, 4, 16, 64, 256. And the indices identify 4 to the n equals 2 to the 2n. Where 4 hides, 16 is 4 squared and also 2 to the 4th. 64 is 4 cubed and also 2 to the 6th and also 8 squared. That's the trickster number that's both a square and a cube. 256 is 4 to the 4th and 2 to the 8th. And the rule for divisibility, if the last 2 digits of a number divide by 4, the whole thing does. Save time on factor problems. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.